So then you can edit draft. And this will basically allow you to edit the page to remove and add stuff. It's very, very easy. I'm not sure if y'all are familiar with HTML, but it is a little better to use HTML. It's very easy, actually. Just like so, if you go to the workshop section, you double click on it. The best way is to use HTML because it's less, it's easier when you edit it. So if you go to HTML, if you need to remove something, just take out this line item that starts with li, right? And then /li. So that's like a section. And this is the image source is where you copy the header image. Paste the header image, and then H4 is the title of the workshop. And then this is the link blank underneath a target blank ref. It's actually the URL to the landing page for the workshop. And then, it's attached with all these UTM, so make sure to include them. We're still kind of finalizing what UTM to use, so I will share again once we know. But this is so far what I kind of like have just as a placeholder. UTM medium other, UTM source, Marketo, UTM campaign, the use case campaign UTM that is related to the workshop. So if it's a DevSecOps workshop, it will be DevSecOps use case UTM. Feel free to ping me if you're not sure what UTM to use. And then UTM content compliance workshop was just kind of the name, a high level description of the workshop thing. And then this span class, however, that's register now. It's really the call to action, and that's it. I mean, there's a way to also edit it. So like if you need to add something new, I would say just copy this whole thing and then paste it underneath. So, li to the li. / I would say copy, paste, and then you just change the source of the image, things like that, customize. So if it's not a DevSecOps, for example, a CI workshop, you would change the header image, right? Then just edit this here, like the title, the URL, just keep changing it to the new one that you want, basically. And then also the call to action. There's a way to delete it here, but I worry it breaks it, or or just delete. I guess you could do that too here. I think deleting is not as big of a deal, but adding can get challenging if you try to add it from here. And then you click save afterwards, and the new thing should appear here. Or if you delete it, I can show you as well. And I'm gonna delete the draft. So let's say you delete one. There's only one now. But what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna approve draft. So then it changed whatever I did earlier, it will just remove it. But if if let's say what the changes is what you want, then you want to reapprove it. So like this green check says it's approved. So usually, if it's the right one, then you want to say approved at the bottom, and it will refresh it with the right content. And and that's it for updating the demo and events landing page for